This is a video tutorial to explain the cash flow estimation tool that we created for House Buyers of Utah. I'll just open it here on my computer. Now, because I have already used this on my computer before, uh, I don't have to enable the macros on my computer, but normally up where this yellow line is, there will be a prompt that says enable with a little button that says enable, and you need to click that. So just remember that when you're opening it for the first time. Anyway, we'll start on this instructions page. So basically this spreadsheet is to help you keep track of your actual cash flows for each project and allow you to see exactly how much money you made or lost on a project. I put a few categories here in this box of possible cash flows that you might have. So you can see sale price of a house, selling commission, the cost to buy a house, etc. There are also other instructions if you ever want some additional guidance on how to use this tool. So we'll move on to the actual cash flows tab. So to start, when you want to add a cash flow, you will press this large green button. You'll put in a description. So I'm guessing one of the first things that you do is you buy a house. So I will write cost of house right here. And then we can actually just, why don't we look on Zillow right now? And we will look up the cost of a house in South Jordan, Utah. Okay, so this one is on auction. We'll look at it and, oh, I lost the price. How did I lose the price? Oh, here. Nope. Okay, the price is $349,000. So I'll put that in here, $349,000. And if you bought this house, it would be an outflow. Then you add that. And there you have it. You have the cost of the house here with the sum of your expenses, and right now you are in the red, but that is okay because you'll do some work on the house. So you might add a kitchen or whatnot. Okay, you probably wouldn't add a kitchen. You'd probably buy some wood. I don't know what you would buy. You'd probably buy some equipment. No. I don't know what you do when you're buying a house. Oh, you get a plumber. So say you have to do some plumbing, and I'm not too sure how much that costs, to be honest, so I'm just going to put in a random amount, $1,000, and it's an expense, and you add that in. Now, say that plumbing didn't actually cost $1,000, say it only cost $500. There's no way to delete just this plumbing section, so what you'll have to do if you want to make some edits is make a new entry. And so since you want it to equal 500, right, you will correct that. And now, oh, and also it's important to remember to put a negative sign before the 500 so that you can correct your plumbing amount. You add that and it balances out these two numbers. So now you'll have the correct plumbing amount of $500. Anyways, you can do that for every job that you do and every purchase that you make. One easy way to do it is to just keep track of your receipts throughout the week, and at the end of the week you input it all. Another thing you could do is just do it right as it happens, and that way at the end of a project you won't be stuck. Let's see. So now you get to sell the house. Yay! And so you add a lot of value, hopefully, and you make some money. So let's say that you sold it for 500,000, and that is a revenue. You add that in, it automatically populates here, and then you have your net income right there before you. So it's pretty simple. You can do this for each of your projects, and you can distinguish which project it is just by editing. I don't know if you saw, sorry, I should have waited to do that. But if you right click on this cash flows tab, there's a part where it says rename, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it House 1. And then, say in the future you start a new project, you want to have a new cash flow statement or like an income statement, you can right click again on this, and there will be a little button that says move or copy. You press that, right, create a copy. I usually just put move to end, and then it makes your copy. And then you can rename that, call it Party House. And now you'll notice that the data from the other statement is still here. So in order to get rid of that and start anew, you just press clear data. This is a dangerous button. You definitely don't want to press it when you're in the middle of a project, but when it is time, you can just press this clear data button. So are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. By saying yes, all data will clear. Yes. And now you're back at square one. You can start adding cash flows again. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to show you. I think that is all. Just don't forget to save this document. Up here you see this little save button. And I think that is all. I really wish you the best in all that you do. Thanks so much.